Today, we will be going through a landing page redesign for OneSchema. OneSchema's AI agents automate data prep so that teams can cut project costs and deliver faster. The specific keyword that we will be looking at today is this data collection software keyword. This is a high intent keyword, and we will be going through the landing page today. We will be going through the current landing page hero section and then go through a redesigned hero section that I have created for OneSchema. So for this particular keyword, data collection software, the landing page that OneSchema is using is this landing page here. This landing page is better than if they were just using their main website. However, there are certain improvements that can be made to increase conversion rate. First of all, the main issue that I see is these menu links. All of these links here will take the visitor away from this particular page. So if you click on this, this takes the visitor away from the page. Secondly, in regards to the copy on the hero section, there's no mention of data collection software at all in this hero section, and that is the primary keyword that they are bidding on. It's vitally important to include the primary keyword in the hero section because that provides message match and ensures your ads get shown higher up the page on Google search. It's great that OneSchema is using a product screen recording on this hero section. However, when you click on this link, it does take the visitor away from the page. Also, the video does take a while to load. The video is currently not loading on Loom. It's requiring me to sign up or create an account, which causes more friction for the visitor in the first place. They have a great section here showing all of the companies that currently use the product. Now we're just going to go through and show you the redesigned hero section that I have created for OneSchema. These links don't take the visitor away from the page. Rather, these are anchored links for different sections on this particular page. This landing page would have a section explaining the product, another section for results, another section for testimonials, and so on and so forth. The second thing that I want to point you to is to this eyebrow headline here. We've gone ahead and added the primary keyword into the eyebrow headline here. This will further improve their message match from their ads, keywords, and landing pages, and ensure they appear higher up in the Google search results. In terms of the copy of the headline and the sub-headline, we've improved this by quantified the claims. We've mentioned you can launch a production-ready CSV importer in under 30 minutes, and also join product teams who have saved 6+ months of engineering time. This quantifiable proof was taken from OneSchema's website, and it goes a long way to improve OneSchema's authority in the visitor's mind. As mentioned before, the current video that is being displayed on their landing page was having issues. I was having issues accessing the video myself. Other users were having similar issues. So what I've done is I've embedded a great product screen recording they have on their YouTube channel. This is a product video at a great length, which is around 3 minutes, and provides a great overview to the visitor of what OneSchema does. Finally, in regards to the social proof, we've added the same section at the bottom here of the hero section. That was one of the strong points of their current landing page. I didn't want to change that, so we've gone ahead and mirrored that into this landing page hero section. That's all from me for today. Hope this has been useful to you. If you are a B2B SaaS company and want me to redesign your hero section, feel free to reach out to me or comment below. Goodbye for now.